Have you ever heard the phrase, "as above, so below," and wondered what it really means? It sounds mysterious, almost magical, like something out of an ancient spellbook. But this simple phrase holds a powerful truth about the nature of reality, consciousness, and your ability to shape your world. As above, so below comes from the Hermetic texts, particularly the Emerald Tablet, a cryptic artifact attributed to Thoth or Hermes Trismegistus, the god of wisdom and alchemy. The full quote is, "That which is above is like that which is below, and that which is below is like that which is above, to accomplish the miracles of the one thing." But what does that really mean? It points to a mirror-like relationship between all levels of reality, the cosmos and the soul, the macro and the micro, the spiritual and the physical. What happens in one realm reflects in another. You are a living fractal of the universe itself. Think about it. Your inner world shapes your outer experience. If your mind is chaotic, your life tends to follow. If you carry peace, gratitude, and vision inside, your world starts to align with that. This is the law of correspondence in action. From astrology to sacred geometry, from quantum physics to meditation, this principle reveals a fundamental truth. Everything is connected. Patterns repeat, realities reflect. So the health of your mind, your body, your relationships, all ripple out in correspondence with deeper energetic forces. Here's the key. If the inner reflects the outer, then you can transform your world by transforming yourself. Want more abundance? Cultivate a mindset of overflow and gratitude. Want love? Become love in your thoughts, speech, and presence. Seeking purpose? Align with your higher self, and your actions will follow suit. As above, so below isn't just poetic. It's practical. It's a mirror, and you're holding it in your hands every moment. So the next time life feels out of balance, don't just look outside, look within. Because the universe is not just around you, it's in you, speaking in symbols, patterns, and reflections. As above, so below. As within, so without. Remember that, use it, and watch your world transform.